Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to show you something unique because I have a beautiful piece of land for sale with an amazing ocean view. So why don't you come with me and have a look? So I don't know what you think of this, but this is about the best you can get of a view here on the North Coast. You're not too far away from Sosua Center, the beaches, supermarkets, and everything Sosua has to offer. And it's also not too far away from the airport. So you know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe. Don't forget to share with all of your friends. And don't forget to check the link here below for more information. Bye.